Hello guys, my name is Abdurrahman. You are watching IT City Development channel. Last time I explained how to permanently activate IDM, but after that a 403 server forbidden error appear when downloading videos. In this video I will show you the solution to this video. Let's start the video. Firstly we check the error. Let's click on download this video, select the quality and click OK. Here is 403 forbidden error. Close the window and copy the video URL, open new tab, paste here, don't click enter, just type the complete domain name YouTube and replace the be with com and add forward slash, type embed, then press enter button. Here is the video. When we click on play button, that this video button is appear. When you click on this button again, then select the quality and start the video download. Now the video downloading is start. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my channel.